Belly fat is really easy to gain, but feels almost impossible to lose. You already know diet is the key, but you likely don't know where to start or how to keep things going long enough to burn off the stubborn areas. Today, I'll walk you through 3 stages that show exactly how to eat to start losing fat and how to keep that going until your belly fat is gone for good. Before the stages, here's why they matter. Most people sit between 15% and 25% body fat. Your body won't prioritize burning belly fat until enough fat has been lost from other areas first. This usually starts around 15% body fat, and by 12% to 10%, belly fat is almost completely gone. But the diet that gets you from 25% to 15% usually won't take you from 15% to 12%. As you get leaner, you have to adjust your approach to avoid plateaus and muscle loss. Stage 1 takes you to about 15% body fat. It's the easiest stage. Hunger is low, muscle loss risk is low, and all you need to focus on are calories and protein. Create a calorie deficit by multiplying your body weight in pounds by 11 to 13. Prioritize low-calorie density foods since they fill your stomach for fewer calories. Research shows people naturally eat hundreds fewer calories when they switch to foods like this. Then keep your protein high so the weight you lose comes from fat instead of muscle. Heavier individuals should aim for 1 gram per centimeter of height, while lighter individuals can aim for 0.8 grams per pound of body weight. Build meals with a lean protein and a serving of fruits or vegetables. Stage 2 takes you from 15% down to about 12%. Hunger increases, fat loss slows, and this is where most people get stuck. First, start tracking your calories more accurately. Most people underestimate by hundreds per day. Then lower your fats to around 20% to 25% of your total calories and increase your carbs. Carbs help you manage hunger, keep your energy up, and support better training so you burn more and maintain muscle. Stage 3 takes you from roughly 12% down to 10%. This is the hardest stage. Hunger will be at its highest, calories will be lowest, and discipline becomes crucial. Stick to high-volume foods, track your intake precisely, and plan ahead for meals out or alcohol since both can easily push you out of a deficit, but also ask yourself if it's worth it. For most natural lifters, 12% to 15% body fat is the most sustainable sweet spot. You look lean, you feel good, and you don't need extreme restrictions. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, tap the like button, and share this video with someone who needs it.